Good morning, you guys. My mom just came by and she is absolutely furious about something. She wouldn't give me details. I don't know, but I've got a couple of packages from Amazon. This is a continuation video from the first video that I put out for you guys. My camera seems a little foggy. Much better. So we've got some packages, and I think I already know what this is. Oh, God. These are, I believe, from China. They have some kind of unknown writing to me, but these are ceramic pen cutter. Oh, that's tiny. You guys can't even see the blade. Tiny, tiny. I ordered 2 of these for my diamond painting. So, got that. I believe this is another diamond painting. Gonna ignore that. Oh, nice! Oh, I'm excited! You guys, I think, will like this one. Oop, latex. Hold on. Don't touch that, okay? I'm allergic to that. Can you tell what it is? Can you tell what it is? I got a custom diamond painting of Mr. Mufasa. Oh, I'm excited. And of course, your basic kit. $26 colors? Oh, jeez. I have no idea what this says, but I'm assuming it's saying there's 26 colors. It's already bagged up. Nice. Mr. Mufasa, you got your own diamond painting, buddy. I'm still wondering what my mom was so mad about. I guess we just have to let her be mad. Nothing I can say or do is gonna make it any better. A really hope I'm going down the right piece of plastic. Okay. More plastic. Are you for real? God bless. Okay. Oh my god. This is impossible to get into. That one. Oh. Basic kit. Like I said, they come with everything. And, oh my god, I'm excited about this one. The hell was that, Maddie? And it's already bagged up and numbered, so it's already ready to go. I'm very, very excited about the one about Mufasa. Also, I got a question of, do I have a P.O. box? Yes, I do, in fact, have a P.O. box. I will maybe see about putting it in, again, this one came with a squishy in it. You guys can't see it, but snuggle up, nomies. It's cold outside. Like I said, I bought all this around Christmas time last year. 2 weeks into the new year, and my mom is already pissed off at me. So, not a whole lot I can do about that, I guess. Oh! I thought these were in a bag. I guess not. Hold on. That's annoying. I don't like it when companies do this. I do not like it when companies do this. The diamonds to this one. And we have one more package to get into. this one only has 20 colors. This is an alien one. We like aliens in this house, okay? Alien, spaceship, starship, whatever the hell it's called. This one. I got this one, and I'm excited to do it. Basic kit, your colors. That is all of that. I have mail to sort through. Did not know this was gonna come in. To be honest, I'm grateful it did though. These are just blades for our razors. We get 2 of them because we both use Dollar Shave Club, but no, this is not sponsored. We pay for this on our own. Like I said, I had no idea that was going to come in, but kind of grateful it did because we were talking about how we were going to get blades for hubby shaving. Anyway, I love you guys, and I hope you guys are having a better day than I am. Bye.